Which among the following flowers are unisexual? Unisexual flowers are the flowers that have only one type of reproductive organ. Either male, that is stamen or can say staminate flowers, or female, that is pistils or pistillate flowers. And among the options, the correct answer is cucumber. The flowers are unisexual in cucumber plants, meaning that the individual flowers are either male or female. The male flowers produce pollen, while the female flowers have the ovary that will develop into the fruit if fertilized. The correct answer is option C, cucumber. Whereas option A, onion, B, pea, and D, China rose flowers are bisexual. That means they have both male and female organs in the same flower. So that means option A, B, and D are incorrect answers.